Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add tabs on your Wix site. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on an empty page in one of my sites and I'm going to be adding the tabs element here. So let's start by going to the add elements screen. From here, you can go to box. And as you can see, the bottommost item on the list is tabs. And here you can select whichever one of these you would like. I prefer this one, so let's just drag it right over here. And there we go. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stretch this to the size of the section. And I'm going to stretch it to the full width, like so. And now I can also manage the tabs by clicking on manage tabs over here. I can duplicate them or I can add new tabs. I can rename existing ones, edit them, duplicate them, rename them, do whatever I want. I could go into layout and make the layout stretch, change the alignment of the text, make space between the tabs and between the tabs and containers if I so chose. But I really don't need to do anything since, yeah, now as you can see, the tabs element has been added. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.